Imagine conversing with animals, minerals, plants, trees, dolphins, fairies, dragon, and Pegasus. In Heart Coherence Telepathy, you'll learn the protocols in basic telepathy and begin holding two-way conversations with these sentient beings from different species. You'll develop abilities to connect with the collective consciousness of animals in the wild, forests, mountains, and oceans. Explore new connections with beings from the unseen realms. And more importantly, begin talking to your own pets. Heart Coherence Telepathy with Nature and the Unseen Realms. This is an online scheduled group workshop for basic and advanced levels. Private sessions are available worldwide too, solo or with your group. Details are found at the link below. The natural world is waiting to connect with you. Are you ready?